Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum. This is Hassan. This is the third video of a session about how to make a CPU monitor using Python. In today's video, we will perform our last steps and we will solve our previous mistakes. Let's start our today's video. This was a source code of our second video. Let's copy it. Ctrl C. Sorry, Ctrl A, Ctrl C. And we're going to paste it here. Ctrl V. Only a single thing left in this video. Just write it if T4 and name equal to main. Here will be 2 underscore and here will be 2 underscore. Root equal tk.tk. I think the k will be in small letter, lowercase. App equal CPU Monitor root. Oh shit, help me dot means full stop. Get dot this tk and this tk will be removed. Now root dot main loop. Let's run it. Shit, there's problem. Tile in line here. Why is tile? Will be title. One T is missing. Here progress is progress progress. Length will be in small letter L. Or is the problem? Check. Here will be progress variable name problem. Oh shit, here will be a dot. Then there will be no not. Yes. Functions here. Then we need to remove these brackets. Let's run it. 1 2 3. It's working. Let's stop. Look, the value is not changing. Let's run it again. The value is changing. Look, CPU usage is changing according to his work. And when we press the stop monitoring, it will stop working. And when we press the button start monitoring, then it will again start working. Thank you guys for watching this video, and the source code of this video will be given in the GitHub and the link will be given in the description. Please check the description. Bye. Assalamu alaikum.